Hey everyone, welcome to AI Talks, where we break down the world of artificial intelligence in a way that makes sense for a student like us. I'm Irish.
And I'm Karen.
And I'm Gia. Today we're diving into artificial intelligence, what it is, how it affects our daily lives, and the challenges that come with it.
What is AI? So let's start with the basics. What exactly is AI or artificial intelligence?
AI or artificial intelligence is when machines or software mimic human intelligence. Things like learning, problem solving, and decision making.
Exactly, and within AI, there are two important subfields machine learning and deep learning.
Yeah, ML is when computers learn from data and improve over time, like how Netflix suggests shows based on what you watch.
And deep learning is a more advanced form of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks, kinda like the way our brain works.
A great example of deep learning is facial recognition, like how your phone unlocks just by scanning your face. AI in our daily lives.
AI is everywhere. Think about voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant, or even smart home devices like Alexa.
AI is also transforming industries. In healthcare, it helps doctors diagnose diseases faster. In business, it automates customer service with chatbots.
And in education, AI powered tools help students learn better by personalizing lessons. The pros and cons of AI.
AI brings a lot of benefits. It makes life easier by automating tasks, improving efficiency, and even creating new job opportunities in tech fields like data science and cybersecurity.
But there are also challenges. AI can replace human jobs, creating a job displacement issue.
And there's a skill gap. Many jobs now require AI related knowledge, and not everyone is prepared for that.
AI also raises ethical concerns. Some AI systems show bias, like unfair hiring algorithms.
And let's not forget privacy issues. AI-powered surveillance and social media tracking are kinda creepy, right?
Not to mention the fakes. AI generated videos that look real but can spread misinformation. The future of AI.
So what's next for AI or artificial intelligence?
AI-powered robots are becoming smarter. With machine learning, robots can now see, walk, speak, and even smell like humans.
And while AI is evolving fast, we need to make sure it's developed responsibly so it benefits everyone.
That's it for today's video. If you found it